Hey, I'm Nixie Pixel and you're watching OS Alt, your source for open source. So generally speaking, we love the Ubuntu launcher, especially in 12.04, but it can be a bit finicky at times. So today I'm going to help you solve some problems that come up most commonly with the launcher and desktop. Check it out. This OS Alt is courtesy of GoToAssist by Citrix. One of the chief complaints with Ubuntu users is also one that I find paramount to address because it's happened to me every single time that I've installed Precise Pangolin. The launcher, the auto hide feature when you enable it, it's almost too good to the point where you have the cursor down there and it's not actually coming back up and reappearing. So I'm installing the Compass Config Settings Manager to remedy this issue, as well as give me a bunch of potential settings to make my Linux experience much more smooth and pretty. Don't worry, you can install this program from the Software Center too. Once CCSM is ready to go, start it and head over to Desktop, then Ubuntu Unity plugin. Click the Experimental tab and set the launcher reveal pressure. The default value is 20, but you can change it to any lower number. The lower the number, the faster the launcher will reveal itself. Issue number 2 I found while I was running GIMP, which is a phenomenal program, but not so much when the launcher likes to hide behind the program. So I looked it up and apparently this is a common problem, so I'm here to help you solve it. It happens in other applications too, and usually it corrects itself, but when it doesn't, it's very aggravating when the launcher retreats behind the Unity shell and all other windows, and no matter how hard you try, you can't seem to drag it to the front end. So here's a simple command to help. sudo space unity & disown. This restarts the Unity launcher without interrupting anything else you're doing. The screen should flicker a couple times and then everything will be all PG again. The final not so awesome thing about 12.04 is not just the launcher but also the desktop. Personally, I like to use Control Super D as much as the next guy or girl, but I kind of also like to have a physical icon on my screen to show the desktop, so here's how to do it. This is super easy to adjust, you just have to know where to look. And again, CCSM comes to save the day. Go back to the Experimental tab like we talked about and click the Show Desktop icon in the launcher, which I had checked already because, well, I prefer it, and now you will too. What issues are you guys tackling in the most recent release of Ubuntu? I would love to know. I want to get some tutorials going for you guys again and help you out a little bit, just a little bit. So, thanks for watching OS Alt. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on next Friday's episode of All Things Open Source. Tech support. They don't have to be dirty words, but all too often are, and it's hard to be the go-to IT person when you're in the same office, let alone supporting members that work remotely. Ugh. Well, all that can change with GoToAssist by Citrix. Though vitamin D deficiencies are all the rage with we geeks, GoToAssist allows you to take control of your entire IT world with one simple cloud-based platform providing live or unattended support on your iPad while you're sipping on gin and juice in the tropics. Or realistically, while you're caffeinating in your local coffee shop, but still. Another awesome feature is GoToAssist monitoring. You get customizable dashboards displaying performance of all networks, servers, and desktops. Plus, proactive alerting allows you to fix small issues before they become big problems. So you look like the hero. And what's more is you can get started doing this in minutes because they have a super easy setup, not to mention you're working with Citrix, a trusted leader in IT, but I'm sure you already knew that. And as the icing on the cake, I'm here to help you sign up for your special 30-day free trial today. Visit GoToAssist.com, click on the Try It Free button, and use the promo code OSALT.